guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I have the Just Deco Fall 2021 box in my hands. I am very excited to unbox this as like its own video. My very first Just Deco box I did in the May box haul, and the box was amazing, super amazing. I have all of those products in my house right now. So I thought, okay, the second box we're doing as a dedicated unboxing. This is a quarterly home decor subscription box. It is $69.99 a quarter plus shipping. I do have the code pink envelope that gets you 15% off your first box. And I have pink envelope shop that gets you 15% off the online shop, which is pretty cool. There are 5 items in this box, and as you can see, it's open. I did peek inside already. I'm not supposed to do that, but sometimes it's just too much. Like, I can't wait. I get too excited. And fall is one of those seasons where I love decorating, and I'm always planning out my different things, so I did peek. But we'll open it together and play with it together. I haven't touched anything, if that helps any. Things I wanted to share before we dive in is that they have this subscription box that comes quarterly, but they also have an online shop that has over 70 home decor items that complement the items that come in the box. And that shop is open to the public. Anybody can shop on that. You don't have to be a subscriber. And right now, and I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I do know right now at the launch of this video, they are offering limited time bundles. So there's a mystery bundle for $69.99, a mom's bundle for $69.99, a curate your own box bundle for $69.99, or they can even do a mini bundle of products, and those range from $24.99 to $44.99. And my coupon code will work on those. So pink envelope shop will get you 15% off. So if you want to hop on there and check those out, those may be a great way to handpick some items, or if you're not ready to do a full subscription, but you want to get some items in, I would go check that out. I think that's the first time I've seen a box do that, because normally you have to be a member to get to the online shop. So that is pretty cool. All right, let's see what's inside the fall box. On top is, I believe it's a table runner. I didn't open it, you guys, so I don't know. That was really hard. Yes, it is a table runner. It's a beautiful table runner, might I also tell you. That's gonna be great for fall, but this could be used year round. Like, it's not, like, this easily could be used for spring or anything, as this pinstripe we're seeing is a gray stripe, and da-da-da-da, it has tassels. I would love to know, are y'all on Team Tassel with me? I'm addicted to tassels on pillows, blankets, rugs, table runners. If you can tassel it, I want to tassel it. But I'd love to know if you're a fan of tassels or not. This is this gray striped table runner, 72 inches long by 14 inches wide. Okay, it fits a good sized table. Okay, we're going there. The pumpkin. I love the pumpkin. It is a velvet pumpkin. It's super, super soft with the cute little twisty stem. Look at the pumpkin on the table runner. We're so fall ready. It is little. It's a little bitty pumpkin, but it'd be great in a grouping. We also got stems, a set of 3 stems. I don't actually know what these are called, but I use these every single fall. They're just like this yellow ball, and you can get them where they're soft, like these are the soft ones, or you can get them where they're like plasticky and pokey. Both look great. So we have a bundle of 3 stems that goes with this. Oh, I got a sticker. I got a little Just Deco sticker. That's cute. Dang it. Do I have the sticker yet? Oh, I do. Okay, let's put this on real quick. I've never gotten a sticker in their box before. That's fun. Okay, where are we just decoing? How about, what about right there? We're just gonna slap it right there. Yeah, that looks cute on the sticker, Yeti. It's official. Just Deco's representing. Okay, what else is in here? This says gather. It's wood, but it's little. It's like a decorative piece. So it looks like a cutting board, like a mini cutting board, but it has a stand. So there you go. It's like a art piece cutting board. So like if you had a set of cutting boards set up, like layered cutting boards, you could put this in front of those and it would be really, really cute. How fun is that? Also, it does have, the top has a hole in it, so you could hang it. So if you have your cutting boards hanging down a rack or on a wall, you could also hang this, but it does come with a stand in the case that you want it to stand on its own. Cute. And then we have nesting baskets, 2 nesting baskets inside. They are woven, they're really nicely woven actually. And they have these little, can y'all see this? It's like a hook right here. Can y'all see that hook? So you could hang these if you wanted to, which is really cool. So you could like practically use them on a shelf or use them as decor. I love that. Okay, what else is in here? It talks about the box, what's in the box, what you can receive. I do have a little info on the owner of this box. I like to get to know the people who are curating this. Her name is Melissa, and she is an ex-Army vet and a single mom. Her style in curating these boxes comes from her Afro-Latina heritage. She started Just Deco in 2012, but has kept it just limited in a very manageable number of subscriptions per quarter. And in 2020, she opened it up and she is now allowing new subscribers and letting more people come in, and she's taking on bigger piece of the pie, which y'all, I get it. Like, I'm not a single mom, so I can't imagine doing everything I do by myself. And I think that is so wise. She has like incrementally grown as she knows she can sustain it. Very, very smart. If you have not seen the last box, go check that one out. The last box that I did, which I guess would be the summer box, was phenomenal. Like, I loved it. This box is not my favorite. And honestly, the reason it might not be is because I don't really like the color red. And I know the irony behind me saying that. I blame my hair. I literally blame my hair for not liking the color red. So these two are not my favorite pieces. Now, my mom and my sister, both their favorite colors are red. So I'm gonna gift it to them and they're gonna be super wild to get these. They're gonna love it. Outside of these, this is all stuff I love and I think it's super, super cute. To run a retail value on it, the set of woven baskets is $39.99. The Velvet Pumpkin's $12.99. The mini faux cutting board is $17.99. The table runner, $49.99. The set of 3 florals is $3.99 with a total box value of $124.95, of which the box is only $69.99, if that helps you run some numbers. Okay, Just Deco, very cute. We are gonna have to go decorate and play. So I went to like wrap up this video. I was like, I'm only gonna do a basic unboxing. I'm just basic unboxing, show you guys Just Deco. Couldn't do it. Finished opening the box and I had this shop item. This is from the Just Deco shop. Then my brain started going and it started going. And so I just came in here really quick and literally took my Summer Just Deco box and my Fall Just Deco box and sat them on the table. Like, shop item, fall, summer, summer, fall, summer, fall, fall, like done. This is just items from 2 Just Deco box. And shown here is, there's a cloth planter and a blanket that aren't even shown here. Let me just take you to the patio. I'll do a second set because now my brain's already going again. I'll show you my second set out on the patio with the blanket and the cloth planter to show you just how cute their box is and how easy it is to decorate with just 2 boxes. I did all of this. Here are 2 other items from the Just Deco Summer. This is a planter. I've actually had this planter in my kitchen, using it for different things. I stole it to come show you guys. You literally could just put this out here and put, I wish I had a big gorgeous chrysanthemum to put inside there. I love tassels, so I have a tendency to tassel forward, but honestly, you can put the blanket either way. And another thing I love about this blanket is, you see this pattern here, right? The other side's a different color, so it's like a completely different design, and I love that I can swap that. So you've got the geometric with the solid, the stripe with the knot. You can fold this so many different ways, and it looks like a completely different blanket every time you fold it. I actually had it even draped on the back of the dining room chairs for a bit like this. So yeah, this is just a couple of the things that you can do with just the summer and the fall box. I can't wait to get my winter box and we'll play again. If you guys have subscription boxes that you want me to check out, comment below, shoot me an email, hop on my Instagram here and send them over. I'm constantly grabbing as many as I can so that I can, we have a few different ways we do videos. Just introduction, like, hi, here's a box. No opinions, just check it out. We do have reviews, especially boxes that I've worked with a bunch, I've opened a bunch, I've subscribed to for a long time. I can review those because I really know the value, the products, the heart and soul behind the company. And then we have our hauls where we just blast through a bunch of boxes all at once. So send over those new boxes. I would love to see if we can get some of those plugged in for you soon. I am working on a really, really cool genre-specific haul that more will be coming on soon. So make sure you are subscribed with a little bell thing turned on so that you won't miss that. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.